We break net now to take you live to X-11, where we join the Deep Space Vanguard on their next urgent assignment. The troopers need to protect the Federation interests and gather valuable seismic data for future battles against the bugs.
Clever clone went to slap Rico's butt cheeks in the shower, but accidentally fisted him. Clever clone, the Federation's ultimate and most sexiest guardian. Clever clone, the guy's a friggin' Federation hero. Clever clone. Clever clone. Clever clone. Clever clone.
And we have a fix on your location. Arc is en route.
This is Vulture 1. I have a lock on your base location. Inbound with
Delivering
the payload.
grenade.
Clear the drop zone.
Cover me! Reloading!
Payload is on the ground. Vulture 1 is returning to the Gurren.
4 locations spotted in your sector. TAC map updated. Get those resources and build up your base.
What? What?
Resources ready. Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Warning, arachnid threat has risen in severity. Resources ready. Battery activated. Brimstone 1, M11E Marauder inbound to your position. Check your tag map for the drop zone. Battery activated. The base is under attack in the northern wall. The Ark is under attack. Resources ready.
attack in the northern quadrant.
Enemy arachnid patrol detected. Eliminate it to reduce arachnid threat levels in your AO. Taking heavy fire. Taking fire. We're hit. Warning. Arachnid threat levels have increased. The drop ship just went down to the AO. Search for survivors and recover any resources you can find.
Get back in the fight, trooper. Let's go.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Arachnid threat levels are
Loading
on the
fresh
rise.
mag.
Stay frosty, troopers. Hive detected in your AO. Destruction of the hive is recommended. Ore levels are good, Brimstone 1. Command recommends getting the Ark online. We need that scan data. All units. Gas refineries have been spotted in your sector. Grab the gas fast and get the Ark scanning.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
The base is under attack in the eastern quadrant.
Be advised, arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Be advised, sensors indicate arachnid threat levels have risen.
Ability active.
Arachnid hive confirmed destroyed. Well done, troopers. Arachnid threat levels have been lowered. All units. Gas refineries have been spotted in your sector. Grab the gas fast and get the Ark scanning.
Vital signs critical. Bleeding stopped. First aid administered. The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
We're sending down a new M11E Marauder. Check the TAC map for drop coordinates.
Be advised, Arachnid patrol spotted in your AO. Proceed to terminate the patrol. Arachnid threat levels are on the rise. Stay frosty, troopers.
The base is under attack in the northern quadrant.
Last canister deposited, arc primed, and ready to slam. Now, finish building your defenses.
Get back in the fight, trooper. Let's...
activation beginning in 30 seconds. Ten seconds until the arc is activated. Arc has been fired. Data from the seismic pulse looks good. Expect a horde inbound to your location. ETA, now. Be advised, arachnid threat levels have risen. Is reading at 50%. The meat for the grinder, Brimstone 1. Reinforcements don't grow on trees. Mission success is imperative.
Loading fresh mag!
At 75%. We're almost there, Brimstone 1. We got what we needed. Drop what you're doing and head to the extraction point. Emergency. Arachnid threat no longer containable. An arachnid horde of indeterminate size is attacking.
Vulture 1 here. Bike in on the way for extraction. Moving to the LZ, troopers. Hustle up.
Trauma stabilized.